When making money has become the sole reason that is keeping us alive, we need to make sure that there are enough ways to make money, even if it is online. Given the pandemic, the job crunch has become quite real, and a lot of people have to look towards other means to earn monetary resources. Today, we bring to you 8 ways to make passive income online. These methods have been in use for a long time, and they are quite effective if used in the right way. You need to make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on such intriguing videos. Number 1, blogging. Given the current scenario, blogging has become one of the major ways we can make money online. From travel to food blogging, we have come a long way creating new content, publishing it online, and making revenue through the ads. Most new companies create a blog for themselves. For example, Huffington Post was just a website years ago, but now it is ranked 3,974 and has over 4.48 million unique visitors per year. They make money from ad revenue and sponsors. In an upcoming video, we'll explain how ad revenue and sponsorships work, so make sure to subscribe. One needs to understand that blogging does not bring money in a day, but the attention you receive shall bring to you more and more options for monetization. One needs to be acquainted with search engine optimization that helps the blog to rank higher in the search results. Once the blog appears to have received enough attention, you can start offering affiliated products or selling your own products, or you can offer ad space. Number 2, become a product tester. Every product that has to be launched into the market needs to be tested out by a focus group of people to test out a product before launching it into the marketplace. This could be a physical product or an online service. These focus groups get paid to test the products. As part of the group, you may be paid for testing the product, answering survey questions, and so on. To start, all you need is to sign up with a product testing website. You will then receive a screener email to verify that you are eligible for the program. The company will contact you if they find you to be eligible for testing its product. Once you are selected, the company will send you a product to evaluate and submit feedback within a week or 2. Some companies offer cash, while others give freebies. You should do your research before signing up for one of these websites. Number 3, start a YouTube channel. This is one of the best and most effective ways to make money online in 2020 or in the upcoming years. Anyone can start a YouTube channel. All you need to do is choose your niche, grab your smartphone, and start filming yourself. You will need some basic video editing skills to begin with, but if you do not feel comfortable in filming yourself, you can start a cash cow channel. So what is a cash cow channel? It's a type of YouTube channel where the owner pays freelancers or content creators to make their videos. You can earn money with YouTube partnership program, sponsorships, and even affiliate marketing. We will tell you more about sponsorships and affiliate marketing in our upcoming videos. Number 4, freelancing. A legend once said, if you are good at something, never do it for free. Based on this phrase alone, you can earn a good amount of money by working online. If you are a graphic designer, you can start creating graphics for other people. If you love to write, then content writing is the one for you. Companies and even individual business owners regularly hire freelancers to work for them in different fields, whether it be sales, marketing, video editing, or content writing. You can sell any service online. All you need to do is make an account on different freelancing websites like Fiverr and Upwork, and make sure to have a profile that stands out, and you can start earning from the first week itself. Number 5, become an online tutor. Given the present situation, more and more people are moving towards online education and end up buying digital courses in order to keep up with their skill set. And thanks to our evolving technology and social media, anyone can teach and anyone can learn online if you have a skill that is in demand in the market and people would like to learn. Then you can become an online tutor or even launch your own courses and start selling them through Instagram or your own website. If you think making a website would be too much work, then you can start by making a digital course and putting it on Udemy. Customers are willing to pay for courses like guitar classes or classes about digital marketing, Facebook ads, etc. You can choose the skill you are good at and become an online tutor. Number 6, sell your crafts on Etsy.com. Etsy is a marketplace where you can sell your handmade goods, vintage items, and craft supplies directly to buyers around the world. Everything listed for sale on Etsy must be handmade, vintage, or a craft supply. So if you are good at making handmade crafts, then this is the place for you. All you have to do is just join and start a shop on Etsy.com for free. To create a shop, you need to create an account, set up your shop location and currency, choose a shop name, create a listing, which means listing your product on Etsy.com, and finally set a payment method. By following the steps above, you are ready to sell your crafts on Etsy.com. Number 7, put your vehicle on Turo. Turo is like the Airbnb of cars, where you can rent your car and can earn extra cash. Most of the car owners drive their car for a few hours, so why not put your car on Turo and start earning money? An average Turo host can make an additional income of up to $1,000 per month. This can help you offset the cost of owning your car for your car payment, insurance costs, and maintenance. And if you follow a proper strategy, you could even make a good amount of cash to stash in for your savings. You can list your car on Turo for free and set your own prices and rules. This is an amazing side hustle for any beginner. Number 8, become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is basically a freelancer who provides remote assistance to a company, small business, or an individual. He or she provides full assistance to the company, but from the comfort of his or her own home. Isn't it amazing? You can be a virtual assistant too. There are different categories of a virtual assistant, like digital marketing, programming, or audio-video editing. Virtual assistants, depending on your interest or area of expertise, you can start providing assistance to people using freelancing websites like Upwork, People Per Hour, or Fiverr. Well, we've come to the end of this video, and we sincerely hope that you have found the right match for you. You can be rest assured that if you invest your time developing on these strategies, you are sure to get your hands on some easy money. You have already subscribed to our channel, didn't you? Do so if you haven't, and let us know the choice you've made in the comments below. Adios.